Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome back to Ride to the Sun. Thanks for stopping by. If it's your first time, I'm Andre, and this is part 2 of 2. If you're interested in some of the other CF motorbikes, check out part 1. This is really a walkthrough of the CF Moto 300. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and please come back and see us. This is a quick conversation. Thanks again.
Cool thing about these is, as you can see right now, it's in sport mode. So these have a sport mode, and they also have an eco mode, like your gas saver mode, if you're trying to save a little bit more fuel. And then also another features that this has is you can connect your phone to it. So, and it also has navigation. So it won't pop up like a map on your screen or anything.
Right.
But with the CF Moto app, you basically connect your phone. And then you put in your destination on the app, and on here it'll pop up like turn in such far.
Gotcha.
It'll pop up with a little indication which way to turn and things like that. So that's a cool feature on
Do you guys sell quite a few of these?
these. Yeah.
Who's buying them that you've seen in this area here?
Really, it's a wide market.
Younger males?
Older.
Younger and older.
Females, males, yeah.
And what do they think of it?
Pretty much everybody who buys these are kind of looking, like I had one guy, he was looking for just something to get him back and forth to work, save a little bit of gas. I also had another guy who was just getting into he's a newer rider, just looking for his first bike. So really these have been kind of a wide range.
These have ABS on it.
Yeah.
Wow, that's for a little 300. Anybody buying them and put them on the track yet?
Haven't seen one of those.
How many horses do we have on this little thing?
That's something I actually have to look up.
It's pretty much basic suspension, basic braking. You know, good little entry bike.
Yeah, 300cc.
Just enough to get you in trouble, but not too much. What does it sound like when you rev it? Looking for the exhaust. Gotcha. How do you change the mode? How do you switch the mode? Which
This
button?
little button here, you just push it. And it
Oh, just one.
Eco and sport.
Okay. This is as much settings as you got.
Yeah, and if you go in here,
You use that. Okay.
yeah, you just hold the enter down and it'll take you in here. And you kind of go through setting and all that.
Can you undo the ABS if you wanted to? Not that I want to, but can you undo it?
No, so like they do make models without ABS, and they also have the ones with